pull out. Fold the leaf in half. Stem. Yeah, that's it. Kitchen.
When I go back up there.
Yeah, pull out. Yeah, and it can be from the bottom easier. Yeah, hold it here. A moment. Hold it this way. Yes, good. Nice. And radish. Put this back here. Radish. Slice it, thin slice. In this different corner. Ginger. I showed you before in the market. This. Different one.
Oh, yeah.
Slice.
The combination is cool.
Thin slice. We not eat this in the soup, only for the taste. It's okay to eat, but difficult to eat. Eatable, but difficult to eat. Very tough.
It is tough.
Strong flavor. Smell? Very good smell. Yeah, with the lime leaf. And here lemongrass. Lemongrass, how to do this? Maybe I show you two techniques. One in the restaurant do it, and one in local people do. Okay?
Yeah.
This is a restaurant. They will make it look pretty. Like this. You might see them like this a lot. Yeah. But the local way when my mom cooking. And big piece. This my mom is restaurant. You can choose. Yeah. On the lemongrass. On the ginger, sorry. You want to smell?
Ginger, I don't like.
You don't like it? Okay, you can put less. Give it.
Oh, God, that smells amazing.
Yeah, this is lemongrass.
Wow.
What's the name?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sarah, no wonder you there.
Okay, good. Kind of big. Many people ask me, what you don't eat it? Why you put them in the bag, in the cheesecloth, in the tea bag or something? It's okay to do like that, but it's the way Thai people cooking. We just know what to eat, what not eat. We put it on the side. But at your home, next time when you cook, you can put them in cheesecloth, in a muslin, in tea bag or something. Cook and take it out. Or you drain. Like that.
A lot of flavor.
Yeah, lots of flavor. So here our soup, not only the soup, meat, chicken, also many things, pieces. The last one, chili. Both of you need the root of coriander, the stem. Can you smell it? If you don't like, give it to me. That coriander root.
Oh, yeah.
Okay? Yeah. Put the knife over and hit it, smash it. This one, I show you here. Many people don't like it. She don't like it, right?
No, it smells good.
And then?
Okay. The chili, we have the funny name. This chili in Thai we call pricky nu. I translate to you in English, okay? Pricky nu. Prick is chili, nu is rat, ki is shit. So rat shit chili. It look like shit of the rat. So in Thai we call it rat shit chili. There's a Mickey Mouse shit chili. If you don't like spicy, one enough. If you love spicy, more than one. I cook myself one soup, 4 or 5 chili. But I'm Thai, I like spicy. If you don't like spicy, one good, half good. Okay, I show you the other thing. When you touch it's okay. No worry, it's not very hurt. But after you cut, when you touch it, the seed come out, the spicy come out. When you touch it, they stick here. You might forget to touch your eye, touch
don't
your face.
touch your eyes.
Yeah. Gentlemen, wash your hand before you go to the restroom. Yeah. No one can help. You will then Gangnam style in the restroom, Gangnam style. So how to get it out from the cutting board? Yeah.
Don't touch it.
With tomato, with coriander. Chili, 1, 2, less or none can be. your own taste.
I'm gonna do half.
This one. Cái gì? Cái đường ra thì sẽ ngồi
Last time I have.
Which is more spicy, red or
The
green?
red hot. The red hot. Yeah, you can pick.
No, no.
You put chili powder in your. How about the chili in your ketchup and chicken?
No,
Spicy.
no, I didn't put any. I did in Bangkok, but I had a.
Okay, try a little bit first.
I just have to have a very small amount.
Yeah. Look at Razor.
Lekker.
Spicy, sexy.
Yes.
Red and sweaty.
That's ready to do so.
I love spicy from Nepal.